place is pretty frozen. Okay, I gotta head out as soon as possible. What is up, everybody? It has been a minute. I'm sorry for ghosting this channel for the past 7 months. This will be the first overnight car camping trip in 2026. This spot I have not been to before. There's a lake there, so we'll try to do some fishing. I also picked up some instant japchae and a little treat for tonight. We're gonna try to do all the cooking tonight in the car. Throughout this video, I will update you on where I've been and then the future of this channel. I hope you guys stick around. I guess I can start off by letting you all know where I've been. To begin, a lot of stuff has happened within the last 7 months of posting the last video. A few of those things are my fiance and I bought a house, we became cat parents, and then on top of all of that, my fiance and I are also planning our wedding that is happening this year, which we are still planning it, but I still want to make an effort for this channel. So I'm excited to be back, and there's a lot to come. Well, I just arrived here, and it looks like the lake is completely frozen. Let's see. Yeah, this place is pretty frozen. I mainly came here to fish. Okay, well, that kind of changes up the game plan tonight. I think we can still camp, but no fishing. So this is not the camping spot that I wanted to be in. On the map, it was very misleading. So instead, we're gonna be stealth camping in a parking lot. We are the only ones in this parking lot, so it should be pretty peaceful. So we got here with 73%, so we'll see how much battery you drain throughout the night. I'm gonna put up all the window covers first. It's always nice to bring a pair of sandals with you. A quick word from today's sponsor, Test Studios. I've been waiting to replace my old wheel cap covers for a while now. They were worn out, busted, and honestly starting to feel a bit outdated. So let's get these off real quick. Test Studios was kind enough to send over these fresh new hubcap covers, and right away you can see the difference. They have a clean, sporty look that instantly makes the wheels feel more modern and refreshed. Let's get them installed. Huge thanks to Test Studios for sponsoring today's video. I'll have the product linked in the description if you want to check them out. Now let's get back to the video. So we are officially in stealth mode. So there's two different ways to turn on camp mode. You can go through the Tesla screen and turn it on through the climate control settings, or you can do it through the app. Scroll down to climate. Climate opens up, gives you the option for camp mode. As soon as you turn it on, and it'll heat up to your desired temperature. One downside about camp mode is you lose your Sentry mode feature, which I think is one of the most important features about this car. There's an alternative loophole that I use, and that is called Keep. And I have to do that through the Tesla screen. My phone is technically a key to the car. Now that I'm in here, I just turn off Bluetooth, and then it'll disconnect me from the car. It's warming up now, so I'm gonna take off some layers, get settled in. While we're at it, we can turn on the fireplace. Now that we got the fireplace going, feels a lot more cozy in here. All right, well, let's start cooking up this instant japchae. This is my cooking method. It's just boiling water. While we wait till the water boils, I can talk about the current state of the channel. I want to continue to create EV content, but really centered around the outdoors. As you know, it used to be Outdoor EV, but I've rebranded it to Outside with Sophie. I think that just does a better job kind of portraying the content that's going to be coming from this channel. I feel really good about this rebrand, and I hope you guys do too. I really am excited for this year. I think there's a lot of stuff that I want to try to do. Given, you know, I have a full-time job and I have other stuff going on, so I think the schedule still remains to being one video a month at least. There could be certain months that have more videos, but ideally just once a month I think is very manageable. I know I said that before, but I'm confident about this year, about being consistent. I think that's my biggest resolution just personally, is just being consistent. We'll give it another shot. I hope you guys can give me a third chance. It's probably just gonna be me most of the time. I know Jason, who's my fiance, has showed up in a couple of these videos. I think he'll still show up every now and again, but it's mostly gonna be me. Also recently, I don't know if maybe some of you have noticed, but I've been making shorts, mostly centered around fishing. I'm currently doing a fishing challenge of trying to catch my first fish of this year. It is not going so well. Hopefully by the time I upload this video, I've caught a fish. And I think there will be more uploads with shorts than long form, just because shorts are easier to make. Meanwhile, long form videos take a lot more time and effort. Anyway, that's besides that. All right, I think our water is ready to go. I always bring a grocery bag for trash. We let that sit for 3 minutes. I brought some peppermint tea. This tea smells amazing. Peppermint tea is just so good. Delicious. Let's eat our little mandarin. That was actually pretty filling. I'm gonna get even more cozy and change out of these clothes. I'm gonna try this snack that I got. Basically like a Pocky, but the sticks are way thicker and you get so much more chocolate. Oops. Wow, that went away pretty quick. Well, it's been a while since we last checked the battery. All right, so we're at 71%. Parked, we consumed about 2%. Majority of the percentage is from screen time. Let's get cozy. Whoa, wow, that was really loud. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I turned back on the fire and it's like super loud right now. And I don't really know how to turn it down. I tried turning it down with the volume scroll, but it doesn't seem to turn it down. So I don't know if you guys can hear the crackling of the fire, but that's what that is. Anyway, I'll check back in a little bit. Have a good night. Yep. Okay. That just happened. I gotta head out now. I got the knock from an officer. This area is closed off, so I gotta head out as soon as possible. And I don't want to get in trouble. That's unfortunate. Okay, that was scary. I think I'm gonna try to find a different spot if I can. Okay. I'm gonna look at a different spot to camp, see if there's any places nearby. Okay, so I looked at different areas and it's already getting pretty late, so I don't really feel comfortable trying to find another spot. We're gonna just head back home. We try to go fishing and we try to go camping. That didn't end up working out, but you know, there's always next time. We'll just have to save that for the next video. Okay, well, let's head home. All right, I'm home now, and that pretty much wraps up today's video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.